That gentleman that was offering $20 for his pistol says that his pistol is in the embassy area. He's pretty confident about that. Okay. Now you can choose to try to make $20 or you can choose to play or something. And it's up to you. He wanted me to make another announcement.
Is he on the other team? I think he's
You look like you really want that money.
I do think he's on the other. Yeah,
He is on the team. Yeah.
Find his pistol. Lie. Lie. Get $20.
That would be the best. Imagine that. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Works great.
I like it. Oh wow, this thing works good. It was all a ploy.
What do we got, fellas? I got your stick, fellas. Around. Your boy moved up. I'll cover you. This one right away? Where's the swamp? Oh. Okay. Fuck. Word, I went. What do you got, buddy? Where? You got the range? He's right on the corner of that fucking far building. Peek in the corner.
All the way to the left.
Yeah, that far one down there. I don't have that range. This kid's flanking around right here, see him?
Wonder if I can get to that building.
Oh, see him? He's on that building now. Right on the corner. See him?
Now, hop it.
I think he's hit. I don't know what the fuck they're doing.
Why are you not shooting these 3-2s? I wonder if it's the mag.
Whoa, dude, that is shooting them all over the place, bro. How are you gonna hit anything with that?
Just use the mag. Yeah, I'm doing better. I'm going close. closer. 3, 2, run.
No, that was a red. Yeah. We had some guys chilling over here. What did he just yell? Alright. I'm gonna go get my grenade back. Let's at least get to that second building. He's up. Oh. I'm like, that motherfucker just took it. He did it. Let's get to the second building at least. Hell yeah.